Unmasking Slang and Colloquialism in Idiomatic Expressions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating and critical aspect of the English language, idiomatic expressions. More specifically, we're going to understand the role of colloquialism and slang within these expressions. This will not only make your English sound more natural and fluent, but also give you a deeper insight into the culture and nuances of the language. Let's jump right in. Colloquialism refers to the informal words, phrases, or even slang used in everyday conversation. They're highly tied to a specific region, community, or group. Colloquial expressions often appear in idiomatic expressions, and though they may seem strange or unclear at first, they're an essential part of conversational English. An example could be, beating around the bush, which means to avoid talking about what is important. Slang is even more informal than colloquial language, and is used primarily in speech. It's often associated with a particular group, and can change rapidly over time. For example, the phrase, "spill the tea," is a slang phrase used in informal contexts to mean, share the gossip or news. Remember, while slang can make your language colorful and expressive, it's not always suitable for formal or academic contexts. While both colloquialism and slang are part of idiomatic expressions, there are differences. Colloquialisms are informal expressions accepted in many contexts and tend to remain in the language for a longer period. Slang, on the other hand, is more casual and often used by specific groups, changing quickly over time. It's important to note that while some idiomatic expressions might contain slang or colloquial language, not all do. Understanding the context in which they're used is key to using these expressions effectively. To help you understand better, let's take a look at some examples. An idiom with colloquial language could be, kick the bucket, meaning, to die. It's a somewhat informal, yet widely understood, expression. An example of an idiomatic expression with slang could be, bite the dust, another way of saying, to fail, or, to be defeated. This phrase, while informal, has been popularized by music and pop culture and is understood by many English speakers around the world. There you have it. You now understand the difference between colloquialism and slang in idiomatic expressions, and you've seen some examples. Remember, understanding and using these idiomatic expressions can give your English a natural and fluent touch, and help you connect better with native speakers. But always be mindful of the context in which you're speaking. Practice these expressions, and keep adding to your vocabulary. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time.